case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In the 1986 case of Nix v. Whiteside, the Supreme Court of the United States grappled with a pointed ethical question. Can a lawyer's duty toward the truth supersede their loyalty to a client who insists on lying under oath? A closer look at the case reveals that the answer, according to the nation's highest court, is a resounding yes. The case emerged from a murder trial in which Whiteside, the defendant, maintained his innocence on the grounds of self-defense. Despite no evidence of a weapon at the scene, Whiteside was adamant about asserting in court that he had seen a gun in the victim's hand, a lie his counsel knew would be tantamount to perjury. Forced to choose between loyalty to his client and compliance with the law, the lawyer chose the latter, refusing to be party to the deception. Even as the legal battle waged on, where Whiteside found himself at odds not only with the prosecution but also his own counsel, the Iowa courts upheld the guilty verdict. Undeterred, Whiteside appealed the ruling, and surprisingly, the Court of Appeals sided with him, contending that his legal representation had been ineffective, thereby overturning his conviction. However, this victory was short-lived as the Supreme Court stepped in, delivering a groundbreaking verdict that would set a precedent in the legal world. In a decision that prioritized an attorney's ethical obligations over client loyalty, the Supreme Court overturned the Court of Appeals' ruling, thus reaffirming Whiteside's guilty verdict. The higher court ruled that Whiteside's lawyer had provided reasonably effective counsel, and that his decision to prevent Whiteside from committing perjury was, in fact, a part of his ethical responsibility. Interestingly, the Supreme Court added that even if Whiteside had told the truth in court, it would not have altered the outcome of his trial, thus negating the basis of the Court of Appeals' decision to reverse his conviction. With this ruling, the court sends a clear message. Lawyers must actively prevent perjury and are not to facilitate in presenting false evidence, regardless of their duty to their client.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.